How to add music to a TikTok video. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the plus option given at the bottom middle. With that, your camera will open up. Now select the video from your gallery or also can shoot it. For this guide, I'm gonna shoot the video. Once you are done with the video clip, click on this option, add sound given at the top. Now from here, you can easily add the music of your choice to the TikTok video. Here you're gonna find different tabs, recommended, favorites, and recent. Explore these and select the sound that you wanna add to the video. Click on it. Or also you can search for this specific sound. Once it appears, click on it. If you wanna remove original sound, uncheck for this option, original sound. If you wanna include it, check in for that option. Now click on your selected sound. Now from here you are able to choose the lyrics that you want to add to your video. Once you are done, click on next and post it. So this way you can easily add music to TikTok video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.